Hi to everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic called Bully algorithm in distributed system. A Bully algorithm is a very important thing in a synchronization. A Bully algorithm, termination deduction, election algorithm, a ring algorithm, centralized algorithm. We are going to discuss one by one in upcoming slides. As this Bully algorithm is coming under my synchronization concept only. When any process is noticed, the corresponding coordination is no longer responding to requests to initiate the elections. A process P holds the elections of a following. That means P sends the elections message to all the process with a higher number. If no response from P, when the elections become a coordinator. If one of the higher ups the answers, it takes a P as a job is done. When an elections message is receiving by the process, the receiver sends the OK message back is then holding the elections unless already holding one. Eventually, when the winner announces the victory by sending all the process coordinator the messages, if the process that was previously done come back with the holding and election is happened. That means here for an example in A diagram, A before is elected to the all the nodes. That means here 5, 6 and 7 is elected. Then 5 and 6 send the message to back to the 4. A is not responding means that the A is deleted. Then that 5 and 6 send the OK messages. Then that 5 and 6 send the message to the 7. It wants to confirm that whether the 7 is ready to be the coordinator. That means a bully elections is happened likewise. A process 4 holding an election, the process 5 and 6 respond, the tiling of 4 is stopped. Then now 5 and 6 holding the election value. Then 5 and 6 wants to confirm with the 7 also. Termination deductions. If a queue receiving the marker from the P requesting the snapshot for the first time, it's considered the P is a procedure. When a queue is completed the part of snapshot, it sends a message of procedures is done messages. When an initiator has receiving the done messages from all the successor, it's not the snapshot is completed. However, the snapshot may shows the global state which messages is then retransmit. When it is needed the snapshot, it is the channels are empty. Yes, definitely, because whenever we need the messages, then we can achieve this connection all the things. Whenever we don't have anything, the snapshot should be empty. Modifications. When a queue finishing the part of snapshot, it returns a done message to the procedure following. All the queues successive have written a done messages. A queue is not receiving any messages between the point. It records the states and the point receiving the marker along each incoming channel. Otherwise, a queue return the continuing messages. Definitely, the queue whenever the queue is receiving the done messages is quit the connection. Otherwise, it continuing the connection. When the initiator receiving the done messages from its successor, the computation is completed. Otherwise, it initiate other snapshots. Election algorithm. Election algorithm attempt the location of the process within higher process of number, destinate it all to the coordinator, assuming that every process knows the process number of every other process. What the processes do not once currently upcoming, which once are currently done. A global of elections algorithm is ensured that when the election starts, it includes with all the elections agree of the new coordination to be elected. That means a global state 3. As I said previously, a 6 tells a 5 to stop, because nowadays a 6 is currently activated. It tells the 5 to stop. If 6 send the message to the all the thing, then whenever they are receiving the OK message, that should be a elected persons. Here the 4 is elected as a coordinator. Election algorithm using the ring methods, because it should be a closely coupled method that should be connected or bounded with each and individual system. So it's following the ring methodology. 5 is discovered the previous coordination, 7 has crashed. Mutual exclusion centralized algorithm. Here I am having a 3 nodes, that means 0, 1, 2, 3. That means 4 nodes. So it send the message, that means 1 send the request to the 3, then 3 is respond OK, then only it's entered into the queue. Otherwise the queue is empty. If there is no reply means that should not enter into the queue. So if it is a reply came means it's fetching the information from the queue, then the process is happen. Process 1 asks the coordinate for permission to enter the critical region. Permission is granted. The process 2 then asks the permission to enter into the critical region. The coordinator does not reply. When the process 1 exiting the critical region, it tells the coordination when the reply is to come back. What is the advantages of centralized algorithm? Is guarantees of mutual exclusion. It is very fair to communication. Requires only the three messages for using of centralized region. Shortcoming a single point of failures. It's the process of nature of blocking of making the request. They cannot distinction between the dead coordinations. In a large system, the single coordination become the performance of bottleneck. Thank you to all.